Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of acrylic sheets, specifically the Eszeoee 2-pack 8 inches by 12 inches opaque purple acrylic sheets. If you're looking for a top-quality, vibrant, and durable material for your laser cutting or DIY craft projects, this could be exactly what you need. Let's start with the basics. The Eszeoee acrylic sheets come in a 2-pack, each measuring 8 inches by 12 inches, and are 3 mm thick, which strikes the perfect balance between sturdiness and flexibility. These sheets are made from cast acrylic, a material known for its exceptional resistance to impact, breakage, and weathering. That makes it a great alternative to fragile glass, especially for crafting and display projects where durability is key. One of the first things you'll notice is the stunning opaque purple color. It's vibrant, rich, and perfect for adding a splash of color to any project. Whether you're crafting keychains, photo frames, or custom display stands, this acrylic sheet is sure to stand out. It's smooth, free from defects, and has uniformly consistent thickness across the entire sheet. This is a crucial feature, especially for laser cutting or engraving, as it ensures precision when working on intricate designs. The acrylic sheets are well protected in packaging. They come individually wrapped with thick paper to prevent scratches, and plastic corner protectors are added to avoid any chipping or cracking. You don't even need to remove the protective paper before laser cutting, which is a nice touch for convenience and peace of mind. Speaking of cutting, these acrylic sheets are incredibly easy to work with. They can be cut with various tools, including a CNC router, band saw, table saw, jigsaw, and even drilled or shaped with ease. The material doesn't melt, scorch, or leave burns when laser engraved, making it ideal for laser cutting and engraving enthusiasts. However, it's important to note that diode lasers are not ideal for cutting acrylic sheets, especially at lower power levels. Now, let's talk about some of the excellent uses for these acrylic sheets. They're perfect for a wide variety of DIY and craft projects. You can use them for creating light boxes, pet ID tags, display stands, tabletops, sun visors, and more. If you're in need of custom signs, switch panels, or photo frames, this acrylic sheet has you covered. It's also great for making cake toppers, model buildings, coasters, holiday decorations, and home decor. In summary, if you're looking for a premium, easy-to-cut, and durable material for your crafting, laser cutting, or DIY projects, the Eszeoee 2-pack opaque purple acrylic sheets is an excellent choice. With its vibrant color, solid build, and versatility, it's definitely a standout in the world of acrylic sheets. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews and insights to help you make the best choices for your next project.